If you got a 04 through 08 Ford F-150 with the extended cab half doors and it won't open, this is probably what you need to replace on it. On the other side of the truck, when I pulled the handle here, it would release from here, but not from down here. So the top would come up, but the bottom wouldn't. This door works fine, but I'm going to show you how to replace the parts. So I'm going to pretend that this door won't open. What I did was take a flathead, pop this little cover off inside the handle. Inside there are 2 bolts. I used a 1/4-inch socket. I use something like this. Grab the wire for the bottom latch. And pulled up on it like that. And that's just to get the door open so we can work on it. From here, just start taking apart the door panel. This is an 8mm bolt. There's one more screw down here, but I don't have that screw. You can pop these panels off with your hands, just pull on them. Right up here we have 2 bolts. Use a 1/4-inch on these too. Let's just lift it up and off. Alright, these things right here are the problem. There's one here, one here, one here, and there's one on the latch down inside here. And these are the replacements. There's one of these that has a different top. The one in the bottom of my hand. That one's for the top up here. And I'll show you how to put these in. On the other side, mine were so brittle that they just kind of fell apart when I squeezed them. Yeah, look at that. Let's take one of these new ones, slip it on here. This is a T27.
twist it a little bit so it won't come back out.
Now I'm going to pull back this paper a little bit. Down underneath, there's 3 more of those T27 bolts.